Hi Barry, this is Michael Kramer with Ameravant Web Design in Santa Barbara, California. Linda asked me to do a site review of your current site in terms of its SEO compared to a new site so that you could assess what you have and what the possibilities are in a more managed system that's designed for better SEO. So right now we're on your current site, and one of the things I wanted to show you, this is the Google toolbar, and it has on it a button that's called PageRank, Google's view of the importance of your page. So on a scale of 0 to 10, 10 being the highest, your home page has a 0. So SEO is not going well on the site, and there are several reasons, which I'm going to show you in just a moment. What you want to do is you want to get, here's the Ameravant website, this is our site. You can see on this PageRank, it's got an importance of a 5. So if you get an importance somewhere between a 3 and a 5, you're doing pretty good. So then the question is, how come we have a 5 and how come you have a 0? One of the problems is that the structure of the site itself. If I take your web address and I put it into a tool that is industry-wide used to see if the website is meeting current web standards, then it'll tell us how many errors you have on the site. Not on the site, but on each individual page. So on your home page, according to what's called the XHTML standards, you have 38 errors. If we scroll down the page, you can start to see some of these errors. Line 6, column 1, you're missing this attribute. Right? There's no height attribute here. So you could hire someone to go through and try to fix all these errors, but it would be very expensive to do because every page on your site is going to have these errors. If I go to a product page or a summary product page and I put that in, hit the enter key, 159 errors. So now Google is on the board of this W3C organization, and they want us to adhere to these standards in order to help us deliver a more content-rich site that meets standards, and they reward you with PageRank. So this is just one of the things you want to do. The site that I was showing you earlier is part of a content management system called SiteNinja.com, and if you put that into the tester, you'll see that it passes. So SiteNinja.com is the site that I showed you earlier in another video. One of the things that helps you to get good SEO are what's called alt text on all of your images. So right now when I hover over these images, I don't get any text. If you're on the website that we set up for you earlier and I hover over any image, you'll see there's text that shows up, right? So Google reads this text. As they say, a picture is worth 1,000 words. And to adhere to current standards, you need to have alt text on all of your images. Now, SiteNinja Content Management System does that for you. It forces that quality. The other thing you want to do is you want to have unique unique page titles. So right now that says Saigon Interiors. If we go to a product page, it still says Saigon Interiors. If we go to the Slim Bench page, you look up here, it just says Saigon Interiors. Every page should have a unique page title. If we go over to the demo website that we created, you'll see it says Saigon Interiors. Let's go to a product page. Wait for this to load here. Okay, I'm going to go to the Slim Bench product, and you'll see up here in the web address or the page title it says Slim Bench. Now this other phrase that comes after this is a demo site, so we demo these with different companies. That's why there's another name up here, but that would be your name. That would be Saigon Interiors. The other thing that more and more companies that Google gives PageRank to are websites that have the keywords built into the web address. This is called a permalink. So right now there are no keywords in the web address. It says Saigon Interiors and product detail and ID equals and cat ID equal. That's considered old school for SEO purposes. if you go to the new website, this is the product page for the Slim Jim or the Slim Bench. You can see right here it would have yourdomain.com/product/ it would say Slim Bench. Right? So whatever it is that you created as the title of the product could also include your product code or SKU number, whatever you want to have, and it will create a URL for that. The other thing that you want to do when you're building a website is to do cross-linking. So let's say that you have a page in the website that talks about the different products. You might want to hyperlink one of those sentences on one of those pages and refer to the Slim Jim Bench, and if you link from that page over to Slim Jim Bench, then it improves the performance of this page because you have incoming links even within your own site. And this content management system allows you to very easily cross-link sites. The other thing that I'd like to make you aware of is that Google bought YouTube about 2 years ago. So anytime that you embed a YouTube video into your website, or any video into your website, you're improving your page rank. And right now on your current site you have no videos. You have images, but you have no video. In the new website, literally you just copy the URL of wherever that video is and you paste it into your site, and then instantly you've got video player built right into the site, and this will improve the page rank. So these are some of the things that that you can do to improve your site. I'm afraid to say that the site that you have right now has so many things that are not right with it in terms of SEO, and they're part of the structure of the site, the content management of the site. So no matter what you do to change the content, you're still going to have poor structure. If the structure doesn't allow for unique page titles, or if they don't allow for alt titles or cross-linking, or definitely they don't do permalinks where the keywords are up here, then you're never going to really get the full optimization out of this site. That's why in my conversation with Linda, I recommended, if the focus is really SEO, that you just take the content from your current site, drop it into a system that is SEO savvy, and anytime you add new pages, new products, it automatically optimizes that content for within the search engines for those phrases. So I hope you understand all that. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. This is our website, Ameravant.com. You can find my contact information there, and you can contact Linda.